Menta kasi ka praterik rempang ar na kaliang menteri rangba kejelau Konrad Konggal sangma ubalong ru National President ke National People Party ula pedang sobha yu MLA barim ke rak samgre constituency u Limison di sangma ubalawan man Pyniasoh no ilade Shaka Party NPP. Habai keran berkilat pathai khubor na kaliang menteri rangba uloong baka parti NPP ka pedang sobha yu Limison di sangma Haka Jing Jong ke NPP. Menteri rangba ulayatu bau Limison di sangma ubalong MLA barim Jong ke rak samgre constituency ula ino eka parti Kongres hennen kasngi harangkat kinong kersan ki Jong ban Pyniasoh no ilade bat ke parti NPP. Menteri rangba ulo ongru daga Jing Pyniasoh Jong Limison di sangma Shaka Party NPP kandang penklan Shuh ya ka parti nakapor Shakapor. Menteri rangba ulo ya thuru bahai kini ki khendiat sngi kindang don ki Nongialam Jong ki weipat ki parti ki bandang wan ban Pyniasoh bat ka parti NPP bat halor kane on sapentim onda kane kala urlong. Habai keran ber MLA barim ka rak samgre constituency u Limison di sangma ulayatu baga jingwan ban Pyniasoh Jong bat ka parti NPP kalong Namar ba dan Nongialam Shuh Haka parti Kongres. Shuh ulo ongru baka rai ban Pyniasoh bat ka parti NPP kalong hi bana kaliang kinong kersan ki Jong kilamon yu bon Pyniasoh no ilade bat ka parti NPP.
All of you know we were earlier in the Congress party, but now since there's no more leaders in the Congress party, so I also have to leave Congress party and now join the NPP party. He also left the Congress party, so I also have to leave.
No, why did you choose NPP rather than other party?
It is up to our individual choice. Because in the future also I foresee that this NPP government will come.
All our friends from the press, I would like to take this opportunity to welcome our former MLA of Raksamgri constituency, Mr. Limison di Sangma, into the NPP family. He had resigned from the Congress party yesterday, and along with his numerous supporters from his area, he has joined the NPP today, and we are all very happy and we welcome him into the NPP family, and I'm sure that with his entry into the National People's Party, the party will grow from strength to strength, not only in Raksamgri constituency but also in the whole of Garo Hills region and the Meghalaya state as a whole. Expressed to join the National People's Party, and in the next few days we will be having a few more leaders from different regions of the state who will be also joining the party, but we will speak about that as and when it happens.